In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an XLS file in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your upload tools, how to bring your spreadsheet into your project, and what to expect once it lands on your canvas. Start with your design open so you can see Canva's left-hand sidebar. Look for the Uploads tab in that panel. It's the place where all your media and files live once they're added to your account. Go ahead and click it. When the Uploads panel opens, you'll notice a clear option at the top labeled Upload Files. You can use that button to browse your computer and select your XLS file. If you prefer a faster approach, you can simply click your file on your computer and drag it straight onto the Uploads panel. The panel will highlight to show it's ready, and as soon as you let go, the upload will begin. Once you start the upload, give Canva a moment to process the file. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and the size of your spreadsheet. You'll see the upload progress, and when it's done, your file will appear in the Uploads panel. If you have multiple files there, you can use the search bar or hover to confirm you've got the right one. For the best results, make sure your file is saved as an XLS or a compatible spreadsheet format and that it has a clear name so it's easy to spot. When the upload completes, click the file in the Uploads panel to place it onto your design. Canva will automatically render the spreadsheet in its sheet format, which means it shows up as a clean table that keeps your rows and columns intact. From there, you can move it around, resize it to fit your layout, and align it with the rest of your design elements. If your table looks small at first, just drag the corners to scale it up so the text is easy to read. If you don't see your file right away, double-check that the upload finished and refresh the Uploads panel by navigating away and back. Large spreadsheets may take a little longer, so patience helps. Also, remember that once a file is uploaded, it remains in your Uploads library, so you can reuse it across other designs without uploading again. That's all there is to it. Open Uploads, choose Upload Files or drag and drop, wait for the upload to finish, and click the file to add it in Canva's sheet format. You're now ready to bring spreadsheet data into your designs with confidence.